and the stock got back. Hey, chill, bro. You want to make the what's happening, YouTube fam? I've been itching to try this Crackle tune. I just got finished getting some gas. I figure, you know, hey, let's see if we can what the tune will the Crackle tune will be like. All right, so let's do this one right here. Crackle tune. Are you sure you want to flash? Yep. So it's flashing, guys. I'm gonna try it, see how it goes. Hopefully the stock exhaust doesn't fall apart. That would be terrible, because I can't afford to get a you know, another one right now. But hopefully it holds together. We'll see. Come on. Flash successful. Press OK to continue. Vehicle off. Key vehicle back on. Alright guys, the tune is ready. Alright, let's check it out. Check VSA, all blah blah. Here we go. Alright, let's go. I got it into sports mode. We'll see. Press the paddle shifters, we'll see. Dang, that Panda Express smells so good. Oh shit, that sounds horrible. That's like it sounds like my car's farting. It's really making the stock exhaust is like muffling out all the pops, guys. Man, guys, the pops are really muffled, guys. It's really toned down because of the stock mufflers.
One eternity later.
Guys, I've literally owned a car for a whole year. Should sound good, man. It's a little loud. It's loud.
Oh my God!
As you can see, guys, it's really loud with just a PCD and a J-pipe and the stock hatback. Hey, chill, bro. You want to make the ooh, stinks. So strong. This is 1 year of me owning it, guys. I'm gonna show you the painted grill. I had it painted by a professional painter. Turned out really well, but as you can see, I got a rock chips on it, man. It sucks. That's alright. I have to do the touch-up paint. I'm also gonna take this license plate and put it in this mount. Huh? Oh, he's inside the car. Yeah. Yeah, guys. Looks really good, man. So much different in person.
This is what the looks like on the interior.
Hi, Uncle.
Say hi. That's what the hood, under the hood, looks like. So I took out the that cover. I took out the cover because I felt like it's gonna retain more heat. Here's my PCDs. I also removed the complete stock intake assembly. You'll probably see my toes. My suspension is fully adjustable. And yeah, this is a whole year of owning a TL, and I love it, guys. This TLs are so much fun. Sucks that a lot of companies out there that are not really doing too much for them. The body kits on mine is pretty much discontinued. From 09 to 11, they're all discontinued. I did get the side skirt; those are coming in. And also, I'm still waiting on a catback from Exhilarate, but it's been over 3 months. I'm still waiting, guys, so I'm gonna wait patiently. So we're still waiting on a catback, and I'm trying to find the rear lip and the front lip, the OEM ones, but I can't seem to find it nowhere, guys. Anywhere. I'm up to the point where I want to, like, I'm on eBay. I don't find it on eBay. Maybe I'll start going to junkyards. Maybe they'll have it. Or if somebody wrecks their TL and it's totaled, and I'll maybe snatch it off of them. I don't care what color it is. I'll have it painted. Yeah. So when I had the mud guards, my wife was backing up, and the mud guard, the right front mud guard, she hit the curb, and when she hit the curb, it cracked the fender liner. Maybe I'll get a new one. We'll see. Yeah, let me see you go. Where's your shoes, girl? Ooh, go get some shoes before you destroy your feet. Yeah, I gotta change this 20 to a 22. It's been a whole year, guys, and I love it. I love my TL, man. It's so much fun. So I custom made this bracket, guys. That's how my license plate goes through the bumper, but it's destroying it right here. So I bought a license plate tow hook that goes over there, so it'll be over there for now once the part comes in. My brother's thinking about what car you should get. Hey, my little brother's what, 17?
Yo.
What car should he own, guys? Here's the what the unders look like. I got the 3-piece arm kit with the Tein Street Advance coilovers. Of course I can't do a burnout.
Oh shit, we hit it.
Of course we can't do a burnout. It's all-wheel drive.
I seen that little Z's like they two-stepping it and it put them up with.
What the fuck are you going, bro? Sheesh. People driving crazy today, man. What is going on?
Soul's Kitchen.
That RDX is nice. That white one.
Hey, what's your name, yo?
You stupid. Huh?
She was alright.
Y'all hear that?
Let me went with the low whistle.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Wow. Mm-hmm. My daughter hasn't been out the house for like 4 or 5 days, man. She's so excited to see everything. So guys, I got it wow, Lily. I did not mean to downshift. These paddle shifters are, the extensions are so big, it's just like, you gotta be careful. There's no pops and crackles at 3rd gear. Only at 1st and 2nd gear. Oh, okay, there you go. A little bit. I don't have an aggressive verbal tune on it yet. I could. The more aggressive one is right here. I really love how the V2 has all the tunes there for you, and you can just pick them and tune it. You can tune it in like the parking lot. It's so cool. I didn't realize how loud it was until you press the throttle at
Gonna be
a
spanking that
fine
rad meter.
So much more fun now, just driving it. I don't care how old you are, I'll give it to you. So the pops comes around like 3,500 RPM or and lower. Hi guys, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, subscribe. That will definitely help that channel out, guys, to help it grow. Because you know these 4G TL, man, they deserve some love.